Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a brand new, fresh 2020 DRV Mobile Suites 38 KSSB4. Come on inside, let me show you. This is going to have the more ride solid step, easy to get into, keyless entry here. The newest latte interior color that I think is just a beautiful color in this layout. This is the 38 KSSB4. So as we come over here on the door slide out with the dinette and the theater seating, we do have a table that extends out with a leaf and a leaf that pulls open, so our table comes out to about here with two more folding chairs upstairs to go at the dinette to make it a four-person dinette. Drawers and cupboards on both sides and underneath the table that are all usable areas. USB and 110 plugins beside. Full bank of overhead cabinetry. These cabinets will have the piston hinges so the cabinets stay open. We don't have to hold it open. Along with the all LED lighting throughout. The wall sconce lighting there. Upgraded to the Elite Suites wooden valances above the windows with the blackout shades, and then we have the day shades, so we have the day and night and the dual shades there. Electric theater seating, real nice decor to me with the light and the dark tones and the way it's lit up inside here in this RV. It is not dark, so it plays real well with it. The overhead cabinetry above, backlit cabinetry in the middle with the brushed glass in the middle there. Nice big couch with little end table tops on both sides. This does make into a bed as well. These are insulated dual pane windows throughout. Very well insulated, thicker walls than anybody else in the industry, with double vapor barriers in the wall structure, box tube frame rails, not a typical I-beam. We'll get into some of the suspension work outside when we go around outside. But very, very nice cabinetry throughout. All the nice quality adjustable hinge work, Sony system, component systems there for our DVD. JBL soundbar, LG Smart TV, pre-wired for on the roof solid surface Winegard satellite system, Furrion fireplace, storage cabinetry here, nice big countertop area in the kitchen with solid surface backsplash, plenty of cabinetry throughout, nice and deep, big enough for a full-size residential plates and pans. Very, very nice. Nicest one I've seen out here. Whirlpool, convection microwave, full size just at home, like at home. Vents out the outside. 3-burner griddle top cooktop here. Nice big oven with direct spark ignition and a glass door. Very, very nice. Large drawers in the kitchen with the soft touch closed throughout. Dishwasher over on this side gives us a nice big dishwasher in the island. Big drawer below for pots and pans again. Storage beneath the sink. Nice residential styling faucet with spray nozzle. Big double deep stainless steel sinks. Drawers along here throughout. Cabinet space, storage everywhere. Whirlpool, refrigerator, freezer. This is going to have an onboard filter system in the refrigerator with water dispenser inside the refrigerator as well. Plenty of shelving. Nice big deep freeze here. Ice maker below. As well as having the full house water filtration system that I'll show you when we get outside. Nice corner cabinets here that's kind of pass through we can get from both sides. Super nice, very, very nice. Overhead cabinetry, control center here, onboard surge protector, all your control panels here, your tank monitors there. This could be a little small coat closet here to hang the coats up when you walk in. Fuse panels and breakers down below. Nice mid-entry step into the bathroom. Solid porcelain toilet with the nice big huge shower inside with seating. Solid one-piece sink in the bathroom. Plenty of lighting, plenty of cabinetry. Very, very nice. Fantastic fan above. This gets into our hallway washer and dryer area. We can do a two-piece or an individual, or just makes a nice big extra closet with storage, backlit. Very functional. Walk into the bedroom. Overhead cabinetry above the bed. Window over off to the side. Nice headboard, nice end table next to the bed with dimmer switches. Padded ceiling. Again, beautiful colors with the woodwork, the darks and the lights all go together nicely. Into the closet. It's all lit, kind of a walk-in closet here with plug-ins inside, big coat rail, drawers, built-in safe, all solid cedar back wall area there. Vanity here, you got your drawers that are all cedar lined in the bottom. All very, very nice. Recessed lighting up underneath. The LG TV there, cabinets above. DVD player there. Then we have another JBL soundbar behind the TV in the bedroom as well. Plenty of room at the end with a king bed. Very, very nice. Just want to let you know this is a quick video. Give you kind of a quick diagram and the colors on what's in this beautiful luxury RV suites. Just one of what we have in stock here. We have several in stock at the time. Full patio awning here with the Guard protector. Nice big huge deep basement with the large Joey tray pull-out storage tray. Pulls out from either side. Easy access from behind. The vanity slide here. More ride pin box. This one does not have the gen, it's gen prepped. Auto leveling system. Two great big 10-gallon bottles that pull out on the pull-out tray. Make it very convenient. The other side basement storage. Full house water manifold system here. The outdoor full house water filtration here. Wool insulation rather than the Owens Pink Panther insulation. Fiberglass. Gate valve section there. Water heater, gas and electric right there. 17.5 H-rated tires. This one's going to have the 9,000 pound disc brakes and independent suspension, so no axles. So everything riding in this coach is going to ride very smoothly because it's all set up and riding down the road on independent suspension. Hard to find in any other brand that's making a towable right now. Large 50 amp electric cord reel. Frameless windows on the exterior with the outer scare lights. One-piece end cap out the back. Again, very few manufacturers still building a front and rear end caps. Accessible ladder to the roof. Hitch on the back. Another full awning out off the slide, so we have dual awnings on the door side that are power with the full LED light strip and the aluminum guards up top to protect our awnings. That kind of wraps it up in a quick video showing you this one while it's here. I have several other mobile suites in stock, so if you have any questions or want to know what else we have in our inventory, feel free to give me a call, but call me direct at 541-979-1770, and that's Clay.Thompson at Guaranty RV Center. So if you call in, whether you call on the 800 number or my number direct, make sure you ask for me and I'll get you all the details. Thank you and have a great day.